Way low. Way low. It's all the way at the bottom. Low and a little bit to the left. Low and to the left. Way to the left. A little tiny bit high from that dot and to the right. A little bit closer. That one was dead in the circle. A little bit to the right in the center of the circle.
Where am I at?
You hit the circle last time.
Well, I need to go to the right more?
No, you need to go to the left a little cunt hair, like 2 clicks.
I'm not afraid of you running away, honey. I get the feeling.
Woo! We're breaking already.
There is no sense in pretending.
So how the fuck put that on there, huh?
Who in the fuck put that on there? It must have been a mechanic that did it.
Yeah. Where was that shot at?
A little bit above the black dot. I don't even know where the fuck that one hit. That one hit the black dot. That one hit the black dot. Fucking flinging shells at me.